Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have my August BoxyCharm for 2021. I figured I would jump on real quick, show you guys what I got. If you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I do have the lowest box, which is $25 a month, and I will leave some information in the description box below if you are interested in just a little bit more detail. The theme for August is going to be Go All Out. Here's a little card that we get, and on the back it gives you some information about the products along with the retail value. So let's get started. The first thing we have is going to be a Unspottable Correcting Oil. Here's what the box looks like, and it does have hibiscus in it, and here's what the bottle looks like. This says apply 2 to 3 drops on face, neck, and décolletage twice a day for best results. So definitely a cute little bottle. And this retails for $49. The next thing we have is from Purelease, and this is going to be an ageless glow serum and BB cream with SPF 40. So the box looks like, I actually got this for my sister, so as soon as this video is done, this is going right to her. And this retails for $38. Let's see. The next thing I got is going to be Frank & Body, and this is a charcoal face cleanser. Definitely a good size, and this retails for $21.95. So there you go. Let's see. Nothing really crazy about it. Clearly it does have charcoal in it. It's made in Australia, and they want to make sure that you're keeping it cool and dry. So there you go. And let's see, the next thing is going to be from Mally, and this is just an Evercolor gel waterproof eyeliner. So the box looks like, and it's just a standard black eyeliner, which we do get a lot of black eyeliners. It's just a matter of, who it goes to at this point, but I actually ran out of mine, so I'll see how this one works. The next and final thing I got is, oh, I'm sorry, real quick. This retails for $19. The next thing I got is from Ciate London, and this is an eyeshadow flip. So here's what the box looks like. Really cute. And here is the color I got. Show you guys. Definitely a bluish to an orange red kind of color. This is retailing for $20, and let's see what color I got. I got Ember. So let's just give you a swatch real quick and see. I actually have one that I do like, which I think is in like moon something, but oh, see, this is pretty. It was just one of those days and I didn't feel like doing a crazy eyeshadow look. Oh, there we go. So you really can't see too much of a flip, but it's definitely pretty, and even just the color that you see, kind of like that coppery color, would be really pretty on the lids. So definitely not mad at that. And just in case I didn't say, that retails for $20. So yeah, that is my box. It's a pretty short and sweet kind of video. Didn't want to go too crazy. I know I got this a little bit later in the month than I would normally like to kind of pop up a video, but figured I might as well show you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Just a quick reminder, you are beautiful. You are amazing. You are kind. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All we can do is try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.